Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Annisa Az-Zahra. My student ID number is 2010952058. So today I want to present my assignment about the primary components of transmission system. Table of contents consists of 4 parts: towers, conductors, insulators, and ground wires. So the first components of transmission system are towers. Transmission towers are the most visible component of the power transmission system. Their function is to keep the high voltage conductors separated from their surroundings and from each other. Transmission structures come in many different designs, but two common types are TSB, or tubular steel poles, are hollow steel poles fabricated either as one piece or as several pieces fitted together. It is used for transmission lines with extra high voltage. And next, LST, or lattice steel towers, consists of a steel framework of individual structural components that are bolted or welded together. Next, we have overhead line designs. In this picture, we can see there are 6 designs with pole gantry, cut-in pole, terminal tower, lattice gantry, lattice cut-in tower, and suspension tower. Next, transmission tower parts. Transmission tower consists of 3 main parts. Lower part is the tower body. Middle part is the cage, while upper part is called the peak of transmission tower. The sides of transmission tower contains cross arms where insulators are suspended. Overhead conductors are supported by insulators and they are not directly connected to the tower. Moreover, cross arms keeps the conductors at a safe distance from the tower structure. Hence, touching the tower doesn't cause any damage. One thing to be ensured that towers should have a capability to resist all kinds of forces like conductors' weight, unbalanced conductors, and natural calamities. The second components of transmission system are conductors. Conductors are the power line carry the electricity to and through the grid to consumers. Generally, several conductors are strung on tower for each electrical circuit. Transmission line conductors for extra high voltage are not insulated. Insulation is provided by the air. For high voltage transmission lines, where the distance between the tower's poles is far apart, then a strong tensile strength is needed higher. Therefore, the ACSR conductors is used. Next, aluminum conductors designs consist of 4. First, AAC, all aluminum conductors. The second is triple AC, all aluminum alloy conductor. The third is ACSR, aluminum conductor steel reinforced. And fourth, ACAR, aluminum conductor alloy reinforced. Need to know a good conductor should have 1. High electrical conductivity. 2. High tensile strength to withstand mechanical stresses. 3. Relatively lower cost without compromising much of other properties. 4. Lower weight per unit volume. The third component of transmission system are insulators. So the functions of insulators are to insulate energized components from earthed structures at rated operating voltage and specify switching and lightning impulses. To support the conductor system up to ultimate mechanical load limits and transfer the mechanical loads to structures. Insulators have commonly been comprised of porcelain or toughened glass, which need routine cleaning to eliminate dust build-up that can lead to insulator flashover and noise. And newer insulators are composed of polymer or silicon, which are lightweight and shatter-resistant. Three common types of insulators. First is pin-type insulators. The second is line post type insulators. And the third is suspension insulator. Pin-type insulator and post-type insulator are used in transmission lines with a relatively low working voltage, less than 22 to 33 kV, while hanging insulators can be coupled into a series of insulators whose number can be adjusted according to need. The last but not the least are ground wires. Ground wires are also called shield wires. The point is to protect the conducting wires or phase wires against lightning strikes. So the ground wire is installed above the phase wire. As a ground wire generally cheaper steel wire is used, but ACSR is not uncommon. So we can see in these two pictures of transmission component as a whole. Ground wire, conductors, tower, insulators. I think that's all from me. Sorry for my mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.